on the computer.
Healthy or something.
Oh, crunchy.
You tell me how you did it.
You like things explained. Don't you? How we doing tonight?
Look, that roof's got to be at least 10, maybe 12 feet high. No human can make a vertical leap over 4 or 5 feet tops. I know, I'm a genius. Toughest men's sport in the world. Most people don't know that.
Spartans, the ancient Greeks, the gymnasts too. They vaulted over bulls, trained their elite warriors that way. Did you know that?
I know more than you think.
And you think more. The knowledge is not the same as wisdom.
Yeah? What's the difference?
You know how to clean the windshield, right?
Yeah.
Wisdom is doing it.
Are you recording? Are you now?
I want
I
to
train
take a
7 days
picture.
a week, 50 weeks out of the year.
Why so much?
Are you serious? I am a heartbeat away from qualifying.
Qualifying for what?
You watch the Olympics?
No.